back to my channel. My name is Kiki. For those of you that don't know me, I am a lazy plant-based cook because I am a busy mama and I don't like cooking. So if you don't like cooking and you need things to be easy, stick around. All right, today I'm going to show you how to make some really delicious Southwestern egg rolls. These freeze great. They're also great to take to parties or when you have people over. I'm also going to show you how to make a gluten-free option as well. Okay, so all you're gonna need is a nice bowl of cooked rice. You can use white or brown. I use this opportunity to give my kids brown rice because it's all bundled up. They don't notice, so they don't complain as much. I found these vegan, fat-free egg roll wrappers at Walmart, so they are out there. And what I'm gonna put in here is just some canned corn to start with. And then I'm gonna add a can of beans. You can use whatever beans you want. And then I'm gonna add a can of diced green chilies. I'll show you guys the can. This is what I'm using. Okay, and then to that, I'm gonna add some chopped cilantro. We like a lot of cilantro, so add as much or as little as you want. I'm gonna add some diced onion and then the juice of 1 lime. All right, now to this, I'm gonna add just a little bit of salsa, and you can salt it more if you want, but I find that the salsa adds more than enough salt. If you are salt-free, then you can make some pico, or the other easy way that I flavor these is I just add a can of fat-free red enchilada sauce, and that always goes over really well as well. I'm gonna add a little more of this. Okay, and that is it for your filling. I've taken a cookie sheet and lined it with parchment paper. And now all I'm gonna do is take one out, and I like to lay it diamond shape for myself. And all I'm gonna do is put a little of this filling on here. Now I'm gonna add avocado to this one. I do that for my husband because he has a really hard time keeping weight on, which is not annoying at all. And all you do is wrap them up. So I'm gonna fill this tray. You can freeze them in bags at this stage and then just bake them off at 375, and it makes such an easy go-to dinner. All right, for the gluten-free version, all you're gonna need are some rice paper sheets and a hot dish of water. You just soak your rice paper in the water until it gets soft. All right, you wanna make sure it doesn't turn to mush. So just make sure it's soft enough to fold. And then same thing, I'm just gonna add my filling and then fold over the sides. And that's it. All right, so here are the regular Southwestern egg rolls, and then here are the gluten-free ones. They're nice and crispy. Guys, so here are the egg rolls. They're nice and crispy, and we like to dip them in queso. So I just make my cheese sauce and I mix paste picante salsa in with it, and it comes out so good. I will link the cheese sauce video in the description box, and yeah, they're really good. I hope you guys enjoy them, and the gluten-free ones come out tasty and crispy as well.